Ready to say goodbye to your Taptap account? Let's dive right into deleting your Taptap account, a process that, once started, is permanent. So let's make sure you're ready. First, open the Taptap app and tap your profile icon. Next, navigate to your profile page and look for the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to enter your account settings. Within your account settings, you should see a section labeled something like Account Security or Account Management. Select that. It's where the account closure options reside. Inside Account Security or a similar section, you will find the option to delete your account. Tap on the Delete Account button. Be prepared to confirm your intention and acknowledge the implications. This will close your account, erasing your data and all associated content. Taptap will present you with a series of prompts, likely a warning about data being permanently lost. Read these carefully. You'll probably be asked to verify your identity, maybe by entering your password or receiving a code. Once you've affirmed your commitment to removing the account in your own mind, tap the button to confirm your permanent deletion. Congratulations, you have initiated the deletion process. Taptap might take some time actually to remove your account, often a few days, but you will be notified it's done and dusted.